Kami tayo at kami guys sa market day in Nanay Saturday. Yan, relax na si baby girl. Feel of nice fresh air. And my beloved partner.
Hello, Wi-Fi.
Hello mga langga. Ari kami subong sa binit sang kalsada, nagapanaw-panaw kami. Kamusta Pilipinas? Yan guys. Yeah, weather subong guys daw kaangay sang summer. Hindi gid masyado kasakit kay init.
I'm gonna put a photo of you and Papa in this soon.
Ay butot mo. Ari kami subong. Gapanaw.
Oh, it can see your family.
Pamilyang may oras at pamilyang nagmamahalan at nagkakaisa.
Ano?
Pamilyang nagmamahalan at nagkakaisa. Family time, family bonding. Yan guys. Si Ales sa gintabuna namon kay maano ya adlaw mas silaw sa mata ka bata. The sun is very bright. Yes.
I don't know. What is Iconspect?
Yes.
Why don't you tell me?
Yes.
What?
Try to say it.